వదులుతారా ఇక్కడ? పేరెంట్ ఏంటి?
Healing Edge.
ఏం లేదు, అట్టు తరుగు. స్ట్రైట్. పెన్ 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 లేదు. ఎలా ఉంది చెప్పు.
My name is Harish Jetty.
ఓకే.
So I came from Warangal. I have seen this treatment in YouTube. So I followed this channel for a long time. So firstly, I have great thanks to this treatment. So I strongly recommend this treatment for many people who are suffering with back pain and all. So this is my first session. So I lost almost 60 to 70% of my back pain.
సో వాట్ వాస్ ద యాక్చువల్ ప్రాబ్లం?
So actual problem was when I used to sit like this. So after I taken a breath like this, I used to get lot of crack sounds I have heard. So I rarely sleep at night. So I have to struggle to sleep. Yeah, nidra vattaga chana trouble ga undevani. So this is really helpful for me.
ఓకే. ఇంకా ఇంతకుముందు ట్రీట్మెంట్స్
No,
జరిగినాయా?
I did not take any treatment and all.
Okay.
So my family suggests not to take any medicines and all. So I used to work out like running and do some physical exercise. So I have seen some videos you provided like back pain exercise, right? So I followed that one, but still I got some pain. So I want to visit you. So this is my first
So it
session.
was a good decision coming.
Yeah, sure. This is my first experience. This is
అందరు రావచ్చా ఇక్కడ?
Ravaj.
ఓకే రైట్.